Divisibility by 2. Rule. All even numbers are divisible by 2, while odd numbers are not divisible by 2. For example, 2 to 2, because 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, with a remainder of 0, 4 to 2, because 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, with a remainder of 0, 1428 to 2, because 1428 divided by 2 is equal to 714, with a remainder of 0, and so on. On the other hand, the expressions 3 to 2, 15 to 2, 137 to 2, etc., are not true because 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1, with a remainder of 1, 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7, with a remainder of 1, 137 divided by 2 is equal to 68, with a remainder of 1, and so on. When we make these divisions by using a calculator, we obtain 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5, 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5, 137 divided by 2 is equal to 68.5, which are not integers. That is all for lesson 1.6.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.3, Divisibility by 3. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.